Hey guys, so I installed the Midlands, this is a high gain antenna, the 6 dB, pretty sure I think. Put it in there. It's a 2023 Sierra. Looks pretty good. This is where it's gotta go. A pretty clean install, just wraps around. I actually put it through the body panel. On the other side of the body panel, I'll close it fully here. That's what it looks like on the truck. This it's a different, it come with a cord, because the one there from, I can't remember the name of that mount though, something 400, that's the mount. This is a knockoff mount, looks exactly the same, and it come with a cord because the cord that I had with it from Midlands I bought, it would not go through the little hole there. So I'll show you where I got it on the inside of the truck. I got it coming through the body panel here, and I zip tied it just to the door frame, the door hinge there. And there's a grommet, nothing's in it, right here in the side of the truck. So you don't have to cut any grommets down there where your electrical are. You're not running through any electrical. There's nothing. You're around it over here, and I can't really see. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. You can't really see in there. See, that's the there's the cord right there. Let me get that set up for a second. There we go. So this is the cord right here. This is it. But there's no bend. There's no big bends in it anywhere. I wanted to make sure there was no tight bends in it. It's just the antenna cord, but you see it comes through right there in the side of the truck, and it goes through right here, and I got it run down, and I pulled these two door trim pieces up, pulled it up, comes right on the seat, and I got it coming out. Can you see the cord there? There's the cord. It comes out right there beside the carpet, goes around. MXT575, put it right there. And I'm going to get I got a mount. I got a ProClip mount I'm gonna put on the top there, because they only make one for this truck right now. I would have rather had one right here, I think, but I'm gonna stick it up there for now. That's all I got. The power cord, I don't have the power cord hooked up right now, because the power cord is like an 8-foot power cord, and it doesn't reach. Battery on this truck is on the other side. So, but there's the antenna again. Of course it doesn't reach, so I got to get another cord. This antenna, it looks clean. I like it. Fits good. Just put it right there. I didn't want nothing crazy, but I think it looks real good. Makes the truck look good. Two antennas on it now.